While viewing a list, click this button to add a section. We can also use the shortcut Option-Command-N. This lets us name a section within the list and then add reminders beneath it. I'll call this one Lawn Maintenance and add a few reminders under it. A section is similar to a reminder with subtasks, but the section title isn't itself a reminder that can be completed. I'll add another section called Recurring and move a few reminders under it. Notice that any reminder not in a named section is listed under Others. I'll add one more section called Jobs Around the House and move the other reminders under it. Use the turn-down triangles to the right to hide or show the contents of each section. Right-click on a section to delete it and all the reminders under it. While a list is selected, go up to the View menu, and we can choose to display the list as columns. This will put each section within the list in its own vertical column. While in Column View, a click on the New Section button will add a new column that we can then add reminders under. Right-click and choose Edit Columns to quickly rearrange the order of the columns from this list. The Column View option only applies to the selected list. The Groceries list is still set to List View, but can be switched to columns, which are displayed in the automatically assigned sections. Using reminders in Column View makes it easy to visually organize tasks into separate sections, quickly rearrange them, and focus on specific categories at a glance.